Yep, here we go again. This snow out here. Shit. It's goddamn reason out this bitch. I'm turning this camera around. Yep, that's how it is now and again. Snowing like a motherfucker. I made a little bit of dough. I said I was gonna make some, but you know what I mean? But it is what it is. It's snowing a little harder since yesterday. Yesterday it was not really bad, but when it got like nighttime, that's when all the shit came down. Now we having a little blizzard. That's what we having. You see that shit? See? I done got like 4 or 5 cars out of that little jam and made like some. But I can't tell you all that shit, but you know what I mean, some. And yeah, traffic, you don't see no cars riding. Motherfuckers getting stuck, sliding. Look at that shit. See that van way over there? Stuck like a truck. Ain't got that many people walking. And I'm just walking out here, trying to see what's going on, but it's too cold. Gonna give me some Black & Miles, something to drink, something to snack on. Grocery store closed, so everybody that needed some groceries and shit like that, they should have did that shit yesterday before that shit came down. They knew that shit was coming down, but someone waited to the last motherfucking minute to do something. And people wait till the last minute to drive out here to try to get some groceries. You feel me? And this motherfucker right here still stuck. You see how that motherfucker stuck? Look at that shit. Stuck. Look, he can't even get out. But at the same time, watch he gonna ask me for my help. Watch what I tell you. Look. See that shit? This nigga stuck like a motherfucker. Look, he can't even get out the stove. Look. He got a motherfucking a 92 looking like van. Look. No contractions. No contractions. Look, he just stuck. Stuck like a motherfucker. Look at it. And this motherfucker work at the stove. Look at it. And watch, he gonna help me. He gonna tell me to help him, but he ain't gonna wanna give me shit. Watch what I say. Look. What's happening, man? You stuck? You stuck, dog? This real shit, nigga. That's how we living right now. Cold, snow, freezing. Some motherfuckers ain't got no groceries in the house, so.
Yeah, bro.
See, this is how we live in VA 804 all motherfucking day. These some of my niggas right here. You don't want to fuck with them. They some loose cannons, nigga. Go in the stove, see what I can get. You know what I mean? This is my little video jank. You know what I mean?
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Well, I was telling people how it is out here. Blizzard City.
Yeah,
VA.
rough out this bitch right now.
Yeah, coming in the store now. Give me some Black & Miles.
Shit.
You know what I mean? Hope you don't run out of Black & Miles. I be hurt like a motherfucker. I ain't walking nowhere else. Feel me?
What's up?
See, this crazy ass dude to work at the store and shit.
Fuck you.
Hey, look. Tell them how it is outside. You see that shit? That's how it is outside. Catch a cold, motherfucker. Facebook all day. Alright. Round 2. This is round 2. Round 3 coming to a store near you. Holla back.